This is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I finally get to show you the phone that has been on my desk for a little while now, and that is the Galaxy S9 Plus. So a lot of you guys have been asking about this device, and this video is just finding out what questions do you have, what do you want to see when it comes to this phone. Now, this is also a first impressions because I wrote down my first impressions when I first got this phone, and you guys don't need to know when I first got it. When was Valentine's Day again? So really with this phone, a lot of my best features video was reflected on what the best features have been in my experience. So by far, the video quality is just really good. I'm surprised by how good it is out of a phone. That has been definitely the standout for me. I will say also the stereo speakers are really good. Are they Razer phone level, which is the best speakers ever on a smartphone? No, but they're much more competitive and by far the best speakers ever on a Galaxy. I mean, when you compare them to the Note 8, you'll see that video, the speaker comparison, it really is a difference. Overall, I will say this as well. For the low light, from what I've seen, it really does need control with EV. So meaning that like I wouldn't shoot automatic out of the box with it, which is how I do all my camera tests. So you'll see when the camera test, I'm gonna show you how a normal photo is taken with the S9, and then I'm going to change the EV and then show you how much better it is. I'm gonna even do that in a video on how to take better photos with the Galaxy S9 because that is a really big thing that I think that if you know how to do it right, like if you've seen some of Casey Neistat's photos in New York, you can really see they can come out amazing. But I feel like you do have to play with the EV before they will look that good. That's just my basically take on it. Overall, I have been happy with the battery life. It's pretty much on par with the Note 8, I would say, for the most part. We're doing the full battery test this weekend, so I'll see exactly how much screen on time I did. I think with the Note 8, I got 5.5 hours when doing the same test, so we'll see how the S9 Plus does, since that is the bigger one. But overall, kind of seeing, I wouldn't say it's on the Mate 10 level, which has surprised me, again, by having the longest battery life, over 6 hours screen on time every time I do it. But this one, I will see how well it really does when I stress test it. Installed my games on there, have videos to play on a loop, so we'll see just how well it really does full day using it. Now, a couple of things you do want to know is, one, this is a pre-production model. I did not get it from Samsung's PR, you know, it fell off a truck, what can I say? But so know that is why I have a little black tape, as you'll see in some videos. When people ask, oh, why do you have black tape? It's because it's a pre-production model and there's certain numbers that I don't want anyone to see. So there you go. But overall, yeah, Samsung, if your PR team would finally get in contact with me back and send me the regular phone, we can do that. We have about 40 videos lined up for the Galaxy S9 at this time, maybe more, we'll see, but you will start seeing 2 to 3 videos all throughout the next 2 to 3 weeks, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to know everything about the Galaxy S9, I will definitely find out everything I can for you guys. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. Again, 2 to 3 videos each day on the Galaxy S9 over the next few weeks, with of course some other videos sprinkled in there. We got some speakers we have to check out and some other stuff. So let me know again though, what videos do you want to see on the Galaxy S9? What are you most interested in going against the Pixel XL2, the Note 8, the iPhone X? Which ones are you really interested in? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.